day mga ka-soilmate, nandito na naman ako sa Home Depot para magtingin ng mga bagong halaman nila. Ito yung isa sa Mandevilla. Wow, ganda, di ba? Ito lahat to annuals. Yan, 44. Ang ganda. Ganda. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? So, ito'y annuals. This is $49.98. Pag sinabing annuals, after a year, mamamatay na siya, hindi na siya babalik. Yun yung medyo pricey, at saka ang problema, pag hindi na-maintain, maaaring mamatay. So, all you have to have is yung pot and the soil. So, $59.98. Ito, ganda. Sa atin, tawag dito Wandering Jew sa Pilipinas. No? Ito naman, blueberry combo. Ang ganda naman. $39.98. Ayan, ganda. Blueberry. Blueberry na, tapos meron ka pang flower. So, ganda. Merong blueberries now. Like, ito, raspberry. Cheaper na a little bit. Yan. Ito, 19, sili, at saka tomatoes and chili. Oh, all the tomatoes are $19. Pero they're big enough. Ganda. Ito yung mga tani. Ito yung gandang lagayan ng tani. May tartar. But $278 yung isa. Yan. Ganda, no? These are all ito mga fern. Gusto ko bumili ng fern. $7.98. Ibang klaseng fern. Hostas. $9.98. Ang kanta. Ito mga peonies. Tapos ito astilbe. Ang ganda rin ng astilbe. This is very nice.
Oh, hell yeah, yes.
98.
Really? Just all. But then I read in the therapy. Rather than getting something as a mirror to see something, I put kernels in the French and then one over there. So I got using them. Yeah, that's what you know. So I read this, it just take all the leaves off and make sure you do
wow. Wow, wow, the succulents. 39. Ito yung mga succulent na gusto ko, but very pricey. Yung pang oh, beautiful. $7.98. It's ganda. Daily. Very beautiful. Salvia. Black-eyed Susan.
Bueno.
So, ito lang for now. Yun yung wisteria. So, bye for now. Thank you.